Typhoon Doksuri hit the Philippines on Tuesday. The local name is Typhoon Egay. Doksuri landed on Fuga Island in Cagayan Province in the northern Philippines. At its peak, wind speeds of up to 240 kilometers per hour were equivalent to a Category 4 hurricane. The band of wind and rain is more than 700 kilometers wide. The typhoon affected 8 regions in Luzon and the central Philippines. Thousands of people were forced from their homes. To date, more than 180,000 people have been affected by the effects of the typhoon. At least 6 people were reported dead. 4 cities were left without electricity. Dozens of roads and bridges were damaged by the floods. The typhoon intensified seasonal monsoon rains in the central and northern provinces, including the Manila metropolitan area. A damage assessment will be carried out later. The typhoon is now passing off the coast of Taiwan before hitting southeastern China on Friday. Flash floods in Sichuan, China, July 27, 2023. From the evening of July 26 to early morning of July 27, Gulin County, Luzhou City, Sichuan Province experienced heavy rain. The heavy rains have caused severe flash flooding in the area, causing significant challenges to the government and local residents. Some areas such as Zhang, Jinlin, Yongbodazai, and Dao experienced rainfall in excess of 100 millimeters. The forecast predicts continuous rain intensity continued in Gulin County in a few days' future. As a result, the district chair experienced large-scale power outages and water outages. A total of 40,600 people have been evacuated from 60 districts in the province due to heavy rains and flooding in southwest China. An unusual burst of heavy rain had filled various regions over the last few weeks, causing floods and landslides that have destroying homes, destroying infrastructure. The rains and floods in China come when several parts of the rest of the world experiences the same, engendering new fears about the pace of climate change. Sichuan is frequently hit by floods caused by rains heavy. Fire, Wardia, Romania, July 25, 2023. A violent storm hit Oradea on Tuesday afternoon, strong winds bringing branches and trees to the ground and damaging roofs. A number of houses and trees were destroyed after the great storm hit Oradea on Tuesday afternoon. Strong winds brought branches and trees to the ground and damaged the roof. Military firefighters from the 1st and 2nd Oradea detachments, Salanta Detachment, Margata Detachment, and Aylesdy Station intervened in vehicles and equipment to relieve the impact of the storm. Officers cut dozens of trees blocking traffic between the cities of Mataraz and Salanta. ISU Buyer sent 2-row alert messages to Oradea, the first announcing rain and strong winds at 70 to 80 kilometers per hour, and the second at 90 to 100 kilometers per hour. This applies from 1653 to 1800 hours for the areas Margata Sakyuni, Vali Louis Mihai Popstai Supliku de Barkau, Pada Simeon, Kurtuizny Balk, Chislaz Abram Salasia, Tarsia Bermut, Cherichia Buduslaw Boyanu Mare and Vi or Fig.